It is the day after Christmas. It's a Saturday, 2020. We are heading out here this morning. We're leaving from Rumford. We're going to do a hike in Newry. It's called the Cataracts. Hope I'm saying that right. I haven't looked at the spelling, and sometimes Jess pronounces things wrong. So, we'll see.
Wow, it's all flooded and all the trees are in water.
We got a ton of rain over the last couple of days, and there's so much water. Everything's underwater. Those are normally fields. That's crazy. Even over here. Those are normally fields. Can you stop? Oh my god. That's not good. We just got here to the trailhead, the parking area, and I literally just had to shovel us away into the parking. Doesn't look that big, but this is where I shoveled. There's a big snowbank in here that our little car can't get up over. Yeah. Just gonna correct myself. Previously I said this was in Newry. It's actually North Oxford. Weren't expecting it to be so damn cold out. It said like mid to upper 30s, but it's actually like pretty damn cold and snowing. So had to actually, you saw, had to shovel into the parking area. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it's kind of cool. Water's really running because everything's so flooded.
I don't know what you mean by that, but oh goodness. Look at that, dude. If you could like get up in there. Wow, look at the icicles on the trees.
Can't even explain to you how big of a drop that is. That's a big, big drop. If you like waterfalls, this is definitely the trail for you. This was a cool one, I will say. A lot of water, a whole lot of water. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.